So maintain social distance, use mask and wash your hands regularly by using soap or sanitizer. Okay? Now, in the previous session, what we did, ma? Some examples, no? Some examples, and by using this simple equations. But once again I want to recall about that simple equation. What is meant by simple equation? Linear equation in one variable is nothing but simple equation. What is the general form of a simple equation? Ax plus b is the general form of a simple equation. Okay? Now, this first two examples we did. Okay? Now, see this fifth one. Just overall I will explain what is given in the example sums. So, in the previous session I given homework this one. Okay, either you will understood or not. Once again I want to explain that. So see fifth one, 4 times of a number exceeds by 5 equals to 19. 4 times of a number, how it will be? It is exceeds by 5 and it will be equal to 19. Find the number. So the number, what the number is exceeding, that number we have to find. What is that number we do? So let the number be x. Then how many times? 4 times of a number. How many times it will be? 4 times. That is 4x. So let the number, which number is one? Example 5 I am explaining. Because why I am explaining examples again means these are each sum is different concept is there. So once again I want to revise that one. Okay? Already you did the homework. Because in the previous session I given that only the homework, but either you will understood or not, that's why I am explaining once again. Okay, this again by seeing these examples only we will solve the 2.2 exercise. Okay, now 4 times of a number, let the number be x. First let the number be x, then 4 times of x means 4 into x, that is 4x. Okay, now so when it is reduced means what? In the previous one example, third example, I think fourth example, exceeds means plus, reduced means minus. So that number means what the number we are taking, that number is reduced by 5 and equals to 19. So 4 times of a number, let the number be x we took, and 4 times of a number means 4x. This 4x is reduced to 5. It is reduced to 5 and equals to 19. Reduced means 5 minus. Exceeds means plus. And it will be equal to 19. Okay? That implies 4x. This plus minus 5 will go that side. It become minus plus. That is 19, this minus 5 will go that side, it becomes plus 5. So 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. How much? 24. It implies x is equal to 24 by 4. 4 is in multiplication form. So 4 ones are 4 6 are. That is 6. So x value will be 6. Now if you want to check, substitute x value here. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 5. 19. 19 is equal to 19. Understood? Reduced means minus, exceeds means plus. Okay? Understood now that one? Now, sixth one. The length of a rectangle shaped part exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, find the dimensions of the park. So, length and breadth we have to find. Here exceeds means again you have to do plus. So let the breadth of the park. So breadth will be exceeds by 17 meters. So let the breadth will be x meters we have to take. So let the breadth will be x meters. Fifth example, breadth will be x meters. So how much it is exceeds? The breadth will be exceeds by 17 meters. Okay. So the length of the park, breadth will be x and the number will be exceeds by it's 17 means it become length. Then perimeter is given. How much perimeter? Perimeter will be 178 meters. 178 meters. So what is the formula for area of a perimeter of rectangle? What is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B is the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, write down, substitute. Perimeter of a rectangle already given in the question. What is that? 178. 178 is equal to 2 of, what is the length ma? X plus 17. X plus 17 plus breadth how much? X. That equal to 178 is equal to 2 of x plus x, 2x plus 17. 2x plus 17. Now you have to open the bracket, means by 2 you have to multiply. By 2 you have to multiply. Then what you will get? 178 is equal to 2 into x, 4x. 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 2s are 4x plus 17, 2 into 17. 17 2s are 34. Now this plus 34 should be moved to the left side. That is 174 minus 34. 178 minus 34 is equal to 4x. Now subtract it. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 1. How much we got? 144. 144 is equal to 4x. 144 is equal to 4x. It implies x is equal to 144 by 4. This 4 is in multiplication. When it will go that side, it become changed into division. Now 4 table will see. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 14 minus 12, 2. 2 4, 24. In 4 table, how many times 24 will come? 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Therefore, x is equal to 36. What is x? X will be breadth. Then what is length? Length will be x plus 17. That is 36 plus 17. Now we will check. Therefore, breadth is equal to 36 meters and length is equal to 7x plus 17. That equal to 36 plus 17. How much? 7 plus 6, 13. 1 carry, 2, 3, 5. 53 meters. Okay. Now, check. You are getting the perimeter is 178 or not? 2 of. This is check. Okay. What is that? 2 of L plus B, no? L plus B is equal to how much you have to get? 178 you have to get. Now 2 of length how much we got? 53. 53 plus breadth will be 36. Now 52 of 53 plus 36. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. Now multiply. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16. 1 17. 178 is equal to 178. So we got it. So what is the length? Length will be 53. Breadth will be 36. Understood? Now exceeds means plus, reduced means minus. That only the concept we have to take. Now what is the seventh one? Seventh one is important in my example. That is same related sum only given in the exercise also. The two supplementary angles. What is meant by supplementary? If you add sum of two angles will be equal to 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. So two supplementary angles differ by 34 degrees. Find the angles. So sum of two angles will be 180, then they are called supplementary angles. What is meant by complementary? Sum of two angles will be equal to 90 degrees. They are called complementary angles. This also you studied in 7th class. Okay. Now, so one will be smaller, one will be bigger. Same equal means 90. But here they are not given like that. One angle will supplementary angles will be differ by 43 means 34 degrees. So the smaller angle you have to take x, the bigger angle will be x plus 34. Understood? Let sum number 7. Example, let the smaller angle, smallest or smaller, anything you can write. Let the smaller angle is equal to x degrees. Then what is the next one? The two angles differ by 34 degrees. Two angles differ by 34 means the difference. Okay, so the second angle will be x plus 34 degrees. The bigger angle, otherwise you can write. The bigger angle is equal to x plus 34. Otherwise, you can write two angles are differ by 34 degrees. Two angles are differ by 34 degrees. So, the another angle will be x plus 34. Like that also you can write, no problem. Now, according to the sum. What is according to the sum? Supplementary given in the question only. So, smaller angle plus another bigger angle will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, x plus x, 2x. 2x plus 34 is equal to 180 degrees. So, it implies 2x is equal to 180 minus 34. It implies 2x is equal to 180 minus 34. 10 here. 10 minus 4, 6. Here 7. 7 minus 3, 4. Here 1. 146. It implies x is equal to 146 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, 2 threes are. 73 degrees. So, what is x value? X is nothing but smaller angle. So, what is the smaller angle? 73 degrees. Then what is another angle? X plus 34. That is 73 plus 34 degrees. Now, 7. Another angle will be 73 plus 34, no? How much? 7, then 10, 107. Now, this is 107. 107 is the bigger angle, 73 is the smaller angle. If you add this 107 and 73, you are getting 180. Okay, so the two are supplementary angles. One angle will be 73, another angle will be 107. Understood? Now, this 8th example is also very important. Age problems. These age problem sums are very important, ma. In the exercise, 3-4 sums are there. This age problem sums only. See, the present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of Vijaya. Okay, after 6 years, sum of their ages will be 62. Then find the present age. So, present age of Vijaya's and her mother. Here Vijaya and her mother age, both ages we are taking. So Vijaya's present ages we don't know. So, present ages we will take. First Vijaya present age will you take? It is x years. Then her mother age will be after 6 years. After 6 years, what is the present age of her mother? X plus 6. Okay. Here in tabular form I will explain clearly. The present age of Vijaya's mother. Here present age and Vijaya and her mother both we will take. Here Vijaya and here Vijaya's mother. Here present age. Here after 6 years. After 6 years. Okay. See, the present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of Vijaya's. Present age of Vijaya, we don't know. So X years. So what is the present age of her mother? 4x. 4 times is given, no? In the question only given. 4 times the present age of Vijaya, her mother will be. Now, so after 6 years, after means for example, present age of year is suppose 12 years. After 6 years, what is your age? 12 plus 6 you will add or 12 minus 6 you will do. 12 plus 6, that is 18 years. After means you have to add. Okay, before 6 years what is your age? Or 6 years ago what is your age? You subtract, no. So before 6 years what is your present age? What is your age before 6 years? 12 present age minus 6 you will do, no. So here after means you should add. So after 6 years what is the age of Vijaya? Present is X years. The after 6 years, 6 years after, Vijaya age will be X plus 6. Similarly, her mother age will be, present age of her mother will be 4x. So after 6 years, plus 6 you have to add, no? 4x plus 6. Now understood? Now, sum of their ages. After 6 years, sum of their ages, how much it is given? 62 years. So now what you will do? After 6 years, their ages if you add it, it should be equal to 62. Now according that we will add it. So what are that? X plus after 6 years, sum of their ages, x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 is equal to, will be 62 years. 62 years. Understood now? Present after 6 years age of Vijaya, after 6 years age of mother, we are adding. So that is 62. So 5x plus 12 is equal to 62. It implies 5x is equal to 62 minus 12. This plus 2 will go that side, minus 12. Now 5x is equal to 50. Now it implies x is equal to 50 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 tens are. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, what is x? X is nothing but present age of Vijaya. Now, what is the present age of Vijaya? 10. What is our mother present age? 4x. That is 4 into 10. 40 years. Okay. After 6 years, their ages will be, if you add it will be 62. Now, 10 plus 6, 16. Here, 40 plus 6, 46. If you add 16 plus 46, 62. Got it now? Like that. Now, examples I explained now. Now, today your homework will be, this session homework will be exercise 2.2. Just you try it. Okay? First sum already I explained. First, second over. Third, fourth you have to try. Homework. Exercise 2.2. Exercise you have to do, but I will explain, but you have to try it. 2, 3, 4 bits. 3 bits only. 3, 4 and 5. First sum, these 3 bits just you have to try. Only 2 are there. One is exterior angle property, one is angle sum property. These 2 only you have to use. Okay, ma? Okay, thank you.